Everyone, I am Shubham Kumar from BCA PPO Batch 2, standing here to give a program to find whether a triangle will be formed by the given three sides or not. Let us understand the criteria for forming a triangle. Triangle contains three sides. If the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, then only the triangle will be formed. Otherwise, the triangle would not be formed. So my program is totally based on that concept. I have used subroutine in order to create this program. In order to make a subroutine, we first declare the subroutine name and the parameters. Like we have to find the parameters are the three sides of the triangle, and we call the subroutine by call keyword. We have written the call as subroutine name and the parameters. We use the shortcut function F2 in order to see our subroutine, and my subroutine is of named check. Here is the same concept which I have told you just before, that the sum of two sides should be greater than third side. So there are total three sides, so there are three criteria which are to be fulfilled in order to make a triangle. We have used the keyword and gives the result true only if all the required parameters are true, otherwise it gives false. So if all these conditions, like if there are three sides A, B and C, then sum of AB should be greater than C, sum of BC should be greater than A, and sum of CA should be greater than B. Then it will print that the triangle can be formed. Otherwise, it will print that the triangle cannot be formed. Let us now check this with an example. In order to run the command, we are going to press function F5. Now I am going to enter three sides of the triangle. First, I will enter 2, 3, 4. Here we can see that the answer is triangle can be formed. We can clearly see that sum of 2 and 3 is obviously greater than 4. Sum of 3 and 4 is greater than 2. And sum of 4 and 2 is greater than 3. Now let us take another example to see when the triangle will not be formed. So here I will take two smaller sides and one side will be greater. One is 2, second is third, and the next I will take 40. Here you will see that it shows that triangle cannot be formed as sum of 2 and 3 is not greater than 40. Rest other two criteria are fulfilled, but due to one criteria is not fulfilled, it shows that the triangle cannot be formed. That's all. Thank you.